If you're seeing Steam error code E502L3, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Steam working again. This error can happen when Steam is having a server issue, when the desktop client is acting up, or when your local download cache or library folders need a quick repair. So we'll go through the easiest checks first and then move into the fixes that usually solve it. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, before you change anything on your computer, check whether Steam is actually down for everyone. Open your browser and go to steamstat.us. This site shows the current status of Steam servers, and it's a really important first step because if Steam is experiencing an outage, the issue is not on your end. Once the page loads, look for any alerts, server warnings, or service disruptions. If Steam is down, the best fix is simply to wait and try again later. But if the service looks normal and other users are connecting fine, then the problem is probably local to your device or account, so let's keep going. Next, try switching platforms. If the Steam desktop client is giving you the E502L3 error, open Steam in a web browser instead and see if you can log in there. Sometimes the browser route uses a different connection path and can work even when the desktop app fails. You can also try the Steam mobile app on your phone if you have it installed. The goal here is to see whether the issue is specific to the desktop client or if it affects your account across all platforms. If Steam works in the browser or mobile app, that's a strong sign the desktop client needs to be refreshed. Now, let's move on to one of the most effective fixes, clearing the Steam download cache. Open the Steam client and go to Settings. From there, click Downloads. In the Download section, look for Clear Cache or Clear Download Cache and click it. Steam will ask you to confirm this action, and once you do, it will restart. After the restart, you'll usually need to log in again, so make sure you know your Steam credentials before you do this. Clearing the cache can fix corrupted temporary files and resolve login or connection problems that trigger error code E502L3. After Steam restarts, sign back in and check whether the error is gone. If it still appears, the next thing to try is repairing your Steam library folders. This step is especially useful if the error is connected to game storage, downloads, or file access. Go back into Steam settings and open Storage. Here you'll see your installed drive or library location. Select the drive you want to repair, then click the three dots next to it. From the menu, choose Repair Folder. Steam will begin checking the library for problems and fixing any damaged permissions or folder structure issues it finds. Depending on the size of the library, this can take a little time, so let it finish completely before you test Steam again. Once the repair is done, restart Steam if needed and try opening the client normally. In many cases, these two steps, clearing the download cache and repairing the library folder, are enough to fix the error and get you back into Steam. If you were able to confirm Steam was online, switch to a browser or mobile app, clear the cache, and repair the library folders, you've now covered the main solutions for Steam error code E502L3. If the problem is fixed, great, you're all set. And if you want more quick, easy troubleshooting guides for Steam and other apps, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.